Jasper, nakita ko si Jasper ah. Jasper. Ha? Sa kabila? Ha? Joshua! Lakay! Tagal nyo eh. Tagal nyo eh. Sino nalo doon? Sino nalo doon?
Sila nakahabol sila Ewan ko kanino tino, baka tino na Dennis. White. Ayun, pangalan ko. Richard.
Ano, ayaw? Ayos na yung Richard.
Ayos naman yung White. Siya makapagreklamo. English. Mag-aaral na sa ayan. So mag-complain sila ng English.
Yung Dennis na isa, wala na doon? Dennis? Kumita din?
Kasama ko
Kayo dalawa?
Kasama silang dalawa ng Richard. Ano kayo? Okay, paano naman? Lagi naman Kado. Nakasilat nga daw. Nakasilat nga daw. Nakasilat nga daw. Katambak sila. Katambak sila eh. Nagpabaya yung ano. Nagpabaya sila na ano. Ganun na namin sa amin. Kami naman yung nagpabaya. Kami na sila. Punta kahamon pa ito. Walang pagod eh. Punta fast break lang. Mabangis na sa baba eh. Massive gamer eh. Parang nag-ice ko din. Nakapantay sa court. Ipasa mo na sa baba.
May kasama pang banda. 3 points by Wilhelm.
Iyak kita yun. Sinisip niya sa atin. Bigla ko lahat na bakit ano ka ata eh, yung tiktok-nito. At kita.
Lugata, hoy! Pakinig ko yun! Pasok yan, kayo nilaya. Worldly, eh. Ang lakas talaga ng World Women sa Division 3. Wala. Rebound by Espiritu. Pass to Makasay. Yan ako din. Wilhelm. Pass to Lugata. Tumatak mo naman. Pass play. Wala ka dyan. Mag-iba yan. 2 points by Lugata. Score 40-10 in favor of Laser Lugata. Palangio. Bench. Pass to Makasay for 3. Wala. Rebound by Makaston. Kubo. Bench. Lugata din. Ganda naman Mr. MVP yan ng Division 2 noong panahon 1990. Score 62. Bench for 3. Pasok yan. Shooter din talaga si Bench. 7-3. Mga bata. Dumating na. Pasok ko yan. Bench. Pasok yan kay Bench. Pasok ko lang. Pasok ko yan. Mr. Brian Magbanua. Wala ka sablay. Antibay. Congratulations, Anil. Mr. Anil, congratulations. Berhen for 3. Wala, ibang ba? Oh, may nakita. Push it. Jasper! Wala! Makasahit! Matibay talaga to! Mr. June! Relax ka lang, sabi. Sabi ni June. Reyes, tumatake! Hop! Same ball tayo, same ball. Berhen! Apple for 2. Wala, rebound. Ganda naman. Rep, pakitingnan sa ilalim. Nagkakagit-gitan. Rep, pakitingnan nyo sa ilalim, ha? Rep natin. Check mo sa ilalim yung mga gustuhan. Usman left. 45. End of first quarter. 27-18. Rep. Tawag ko na. Rep natin. Okay, score 27-18 in favor of Laser Ball. Okay, back to the ball game na tayo. Back to the ball game. Black ball tayo. Mr. Mike Tugi. Pag Mike, ipabayad si Sing. Nahanap ka. Ito ang mga player. Ito player natin. Ito ang gusto ko. Yung ganda ka sa listahan next ko. Berhen, wala. Si Sing. Hoy. Pass to Bench. Benji, 4-3, wala. Himabay, Utol. Bench, pass Benji again. Pass to Lu. Lu for pull up, wala. Himabay. Brian, may foul na. Foul, Bench. 89, foul. Ay. First team foul. White ball tayo, white ball. Medyo mataas lang. Paulo! Pabitsyo. June! Pagkanda ng pasa naman kay Benz! Malakas lang! Oy! Nakapangkulang yun ah. Sino yun? Adjust ko ba yun? Berhen, umatake, lumapit. Malakas lang, rebound ng Lugata. Lakas na. 2 points by Lugata. Ben, pasok Double foul. Relax lang, player. Relax lang tayo. Counted muna bago mag-foul. Number 6 and number 15. Foul. Double foul tayo. Double foul. Double foul. Double foul. Panas, double foul. Sample pa lang. Sample lang isa. Hindi si Brian. Tama. Abdul, third. Personal foul. Third. Lobata. May foul na. 89. Bench. Ilan na si Bench? Second personal foul, Bench. Traveling violation. Ready ba substitution? Makasahin ko ang pull-up jumper. Wala, lumakas lang. Rebound by Brian, pass to Berhen. Tumatakbo si Berhen. Pull-up jumper. Favorite shot. Wala. Brian, malakas. Sayang. Jasper. Pass to Benji. Benji for two. Yes. Wala. Makasahin. Rebound. Lakas nito. Master 2. Pass to Brian. Brian, atake. Same ball daw. Substitution then. Jasper. Out. Si Lou out. C. Foul Jasper. First foul. Two shots. Wala. Yan, at saka, susuotol na lang sa podium. 33-21. Jasper, pass to Makasay. 4-2, pull up. Wala, rebound by Benji. Umata kay Benji, pull up. Wala, rebound by Brian. Pasupot. Huli, ganda naman. Wala din, Makasay. Wala. Ganda ng depensa, maganda ang depensa. Ganda ang depensa. May foul tayo sa lalim. Post foul ngayon. Double foul tayo, double foul. Same ball now. Number 4, parehas nagkahawakan kasi kayo, nagkahawakan. Same ball tayo, same ball. Nag-penalty siya, nag-foul eh, parehas. Penalty ng isa. Penalty na. Wala. Double foul lang eh, double foul. Walang penalty yan, double foul. Isa. Ang lakas ni Brian. Nagbagwa. Tibay. Ready for substitution eh. Relax lang tayo sa ilalim mga kasama. Laro lang tayo, laro. Ganda ng pasa! Nice one. Wala. June. Up. Yan, white ball tayo, white ball. Substitution, Espirito, out, in pala. Bench, out. We're head, sayang. Natapon. Bench, pass to makasahit. Ang lakas. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Pasok. Pasok ulit. 14-point lead, 37-23 in favor of Laser. Ang lakas mo, Mr. June! May foul, may foul. May foul na, may foul na. Number 6, Espirito. 2 shots tayo, by Bagbayo. Second personal foul. Penalty na tayo. Brian, pasok. Wala. Rebound by Espirito. Pass to Jasper. Jasper. Benji for 3. Short. Rebound by. Magpapa. Top. Last touch. Same ball tayo. Same ball. Ang ganda naman nun. May foul na. Foul, Jasper. Penalty tayo. 2 shots. Penalty tayo. Wala. Straw tayo. Reyes. Pasok na, pasok yan. 39-25. Back to 14-3. Espirito. Pass to Sing. Sing, umatake. Sing, paganda naman. Ay, sayang. Jasper. Yan ang mag-ibon. Baba daw, baba. Malakas ang kalaban. Ganda na depensa. Black ball tayo. Last touch. $16-point lead. Oh, tama. 16-point lead. Lakas din ito guys ang bag na to ah. Espirito, pass to Sing. Sing. Wala pa, wala pa. Wala pa, wala pa. Rebound by Brian. Brian. Reyes sa atake. Ay, huli. Iba na. End of second quarter. 41-25.
Basta ano,
score 41-25 in favor of Laser Band. Leading scorer natin, no other than Mr. Jun Bangsalit with 20 points already. Almost half of the score. For Coins Pichon, who's the leading scorer? Mr. Erwin Lomada with 10 points. Okay. Break tayo, break. 1 minute break before the second half.
Lahat naman tayo. May pagkakabalik. Sino ba dyan? Lahat sila? Lahat. Dito, puro reaction lang. Hindi pa naman tapos ko ito. Oo, tama. Hindi mo na para kumalma. Ano, dito
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Score 41-21. White ball tayo. White ball. Relax lang mga guys. Iwas ng konti sa physical. Laro lang tayo mga kasama. Lugada for three, wala. Rebound by Sen, Lugada. Nice Arvin. Ryan, lakas naman. 2 points by Brian. Benz, full of jumper, wala. Rebound by Reyes. Nagbawa ba ng bola? Pass to Berhen. Wala. Lugada, matake. Ganda naman. Nice steal by Makasakit, atake. Oh, line foul na. Reyes, 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. First personal foul. Mas marami pa sa'yo pa rin. Let's go. Shots by Makasakit. So, rebound ulit. Pasok. Lakas talaga. Mr. Jun, nakasakit. Arvin, titira ba? Pass to Lugada. Wala. Labas na. Belen. Nice run, Belen. 2 points by Belen. Lugada, atake. Lumabas ulit. Pass to Reyes. Berhen for 3. Mista mo na yan. Sugar lang. Back to 12-point lead na tayo. Back to 12-point lead. June 4 bumawi. Wala. Iwan ba yung Reyes? Tumatakbo. Reyes pass to Berhen for. Wala. Nakatayo lang. Wala. Napilit. Berhen. Bola po yan. Wala. Sayang. Berhen, atake ulit. daw naman. Foul. Time out! Block! Nice shot. 89 foul. Second, Ben's third personal foul. Score 44-32. Even 12-point lead by Western. Now, Mr. Benz, 2-3 tayo. This game is brought to you by Metro Bank with Boys Return. Thank you to all our sponsors. Okay, back to the ball game. Shots tayo. Shots tayo, Bernel. 2 shots. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Last throw tayo, last throw. Wala pa din. Benhen for 3. Wala pa din. Short, sayang. Jasper, pass to Singh. Ganda naman. Boarding. That's Shogun for Singh. Benhen. Bully. Black ball tayo, black ball. Okay. Transition, pinigil. Makasahit, makasahit. Wala yung hindi yan. 2 shots lang, then ball position. Transition, transition. Okay na, sige, 2 shots tayo, 2 shots, 2 shots. Pasok, one more, one more. Pasok. Okay, one assistant to ball. White ball tayo, white ball, white ball. Advantage foul daw yun. Benhen for 3! Ay, sayang! Substitution left, substitution! No! In! Sing! Out! Benz, nagpamuna ng ball. Pass to Utol. Nakaside for 2. Short. Rebound by Benhen. Benhen, tumatakbo si Benhen. Same ball tayo, one ball. 20 seconds shot. Substitution time, substitution. Abdul in, Abdul. Arvin out, Arvin. Reyes, Benhen. Pass to Reyes. Reyes ang atake. Ganda naman, lusot. Pagyan. Back to 10-point lead, 46-36. Still. Benji for 3. Wala. Rebound by. Makasahit. Huli. At Erwin. Shot ball yan. Back to 8-point lead na tayo. Single digit. Single digit na lang. 8-point lead. Right ball tayo, maganda ng depensa. Maganda ang depensa. Reyes, maganda Reyes. Pass up to, wala. Oh, may foul na. Foul na. Apun, board, personal foul, Apun. Two shots, may tawag na.
Second free throw.
Ready for substitution, ready for substitution. Pag sumiyot, substitution.
Second down.
Substitution rin. Pasok. Just go out. Same in. Back to 10-point lead. Mahaba pa oras. 1 minute, 30 seconds. And 1 minute and 30. Banda naman. Who's balik? Number 5. Two shots by Brian. Bonus pick ko. Pasok. Okay, score. 48. 4 block. Same ball. Warning for delaying the game. Warning for delaying the game. Balik. Warning for delaying the game. Yellow. Black. White. Warning for delaying the game. Yung tawag namin. 13 seconds. 10. 8. Wala. Pasok lang. Okay, 3 seconds. 2. 1. Wala na tayo. Okay, score 50, 41, 9-point. Naipasok pa ni Mr. Benji ang palo. Boss! Nasa si Mikey. Si Mikey nasa. Nakalibre siya, kausapin natin.
Yung dalawa na yun,
Score 50, 41. Okay, back to the ball game. Start of 1 quarter. 50-41 in favor of Mr. Juan. Okay. Last quarter na tayo, last quarter. Black ball tayo, black ball. Yellow away kami. Makasahit po, Joe! Ganda naman! Grabe! Shoot yan talaga sa idol. Ryan! Foul na, foul na, may foul na, may foul na. May foul na, may foul na. Ah, jumble ba? Ang tawag, left? Jumble. White ball tayo, white ball. Wala. Ang lakas, sayang po. Huli. Reyes. Traveling violation. Traveling. Sayang na huli. Jasper, malakas. Rebound by Sing. Oh, wala. Lumada. Nagbababa ng bola. Lumada. Pass to Brian. Belhen. Atake. Belhen goal to... Wala kalakas. Oh, rebound by Ben. Atake. Ben. Pass to Utol. Ben. Wala. Sayang. May foul na tinawag. Who's fouling? Benji, number 4. First team foul. Reyes, sumakay pass to Lumada. Ano tawag ulit? Foul, Jun, nakasay. Foul. Second personal foul, Jun. Bernhel, short. Rebound by Benz. Umatake. Pass to Otton, medyo late. Stepping on the line. Black ball tayo daw. Black ball. Wala. 2 shots tayo. Foul, Arvin. Pasok yan. Last one. Pasok ulit. 54, 4-1. Jasper, third personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots by Brian. Pasok yan, pasok.
Kickball, set.
Relax lang sa ilalim ng mga kasama. Relax lang. Relax lang, basta okay lang ang physical, wala lang tayo sakit. Sing! Ay, foul. Reyes, ilan na si Reyes? Third personal foul. Paborito tayo. C. Last throw, last throw. Wala! Rebound man! Lakas naman! Sayang. June, pass to Brian. Brian. Atake si Brian. Lakas. Lugana. 3 seconds. Nahabol. Yung tayo. Medyo nakakaya. Time out! Black, wala na kang time out. Black, wala na kang time out, ha? White, meron pa kayo time out. White. Score! 54! Golden Steel Taylor. Laser Ball. Time left. 5:45 in the fourth quarter.
Thank you, Laser Gun, and Choice the Joy. Happy birthday, Sir Dennis Ingo! Happy
Okay, back to the moment tayo. Back to the moment. 54-43. 5 minutes. June, pass to Sing. Sing, atake. Ganda, malakas lang. Sing again. Follow up. Nice Sing. Nice one. Lakas na ito. Lakas na itong laser ball.
Number 2, go 2 points.
Lugada, nakanakaw. Hindi mo kaya yan. Matibay yan. 2 shots.
Number 5, let's go.
Husband. Okay, foul landing. Si Admin pala. Nagulangan kami, Jasper. Ay, pre, nagulangan kami, Jasper. Wala. Best. Nagulangan siya. Points short. Babae, Lugada. Lugada, atake. Atake si Lugada. Lugada, ganda ang pasa. May bonus point po tayo.
Number 1. Back to round number 9. Yes, good.
Okay, bonus point po. June, third personal foul.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Now it's up in 9.
Pasok. Nagpunting na lang ulit.
Number 10.
Ben. Pass to June.
Back 1 for
June. Last 2 minutes.
Got it in the corner.
Ben. Pull-up jumper, wala! Oh! Zero! Violation tayo. 24 seconds violation. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Arvin, pass to Berhen. Berhen, atake. Atake si Berhen. Berhen, may foul. 2 shots tayo. Foul, Benji. Bola. Second personal foul. Penalty foul tayo. Benji, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for team foul. Pakalagay ang foul. Foul. Foul to back. Pakalagay ang foul. Nice one. Number 15. Foul lang. Tawag yan. Ano tawag? Dito foul lang daw. Penalty tayo. Penalty. 2 shots tayo. 2 shots. Penalty. Come. Score 60-48 in favor of Laser Band. Okay, thank you for our sponsor, Lord Relax, Masakana, Pita Park Group, Voice Control, Laser Band. Ted Bensi, Casa Pilipina, World TV. Okay, back to the ball tayo. One team or penalty. Berhen, wala. Rebound, Manjun. Takas talaga nito. Jasper, almost on us, 15 seconds. Lulu. White ball. 2 points. Brian, ata kay Brian. One team and the penalty, ha? Pasok yan kay Brian. Foul. Tumbling ko tayo, penalty. Foul, lumada. Substitution tayo, Rep. Substitution. Wala. Time out! Wide. Score 61-50. 56 seconds into the fourth quarter. Score 61-50 in favor of Laser, 1. Both teams are in the penalty. No more timeout. No more timeout. Thank you to our sponsors. Lord Deluxe, Elegance Hour, Owen, and Renovation 218 Christie's, Simply Beluis, then Brown B. Back to the ball game. 56 seconds. Ryan, wala, malakas. Sayang. Foul na, foul. 2 shots. Alton. 5, personal foul. Okay. 2 shots sayang. Pasok yan, pasok. Reyes! Saan ka naman? Pasok yan! Ocean po tayo, Ocean. Nakalagaan sa ball. Foul ulit. Lugada, 2 shots. Ocean tayo. Kaya lang, shooter ang pinapaw. Lugada! 5 personal foul. 5 na 5. Mga tatlo sunod-sunod. Kondisyon na kondisyon. Mr. Joe. Kondisyon na kondisyon. JR! JR! Picturean mo ng buo ang team. Picturean mo ng buo ang team. Yung team, picturean mo dyan. Yung buo. Pasok ulit. 44 seconds. Reyes, sumatake. Pasok din yan. Nakalaga ang score. Sing. Foul. 2 shots by Mr. Sing.